It's cold, y'all. The wintry walk. Baton Rouge, that's the coldest weather I've seen in a long time. Wrist too. Check out the whip. Hopefully this kills the lilies back in the Kenta Canal. There we go. They said come to Baton Rouge, it'd be good, y'all. Main thing this walk, I was looking on the map. I found a spot to kind of camp tonight, but I want to check out this other spot. Let me get y'all on. Man to do for a racetrack hot dog. Y'all know I had to get out, and tonight I'm gonna try to find me a camping spot. We don't get cold weather like this often, so you got to take advantage of it. I'm envious of like Nicholas Green Outdoors and Camping with Steve. So yeah, I gotta get at this while we have it for what short window we do, like a day or two. But yeah, this is the trek for racetrack hot dog. And on the way back, I want to scout out the subdivision that backs up into some woods that are for sale for camping. Be mad I get over here to racetrack. I see some lights, so hopefully it's on. I mean, hopefully they're open. Because it seems like Dollar Tree's open. There ain't much else. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I know this is probably lame for anybody who probably gets real snow, but we don't, so this is... They rolled up the sidewalks just about. A winter wonderland in Baton Rouge. You can tell, y'all. I got me 2 racetrack hot dogs and a drink. And now it's time to go on the scouting part of this trip. Then I'm gonna retire till maybe 3 hours before dark and go set up for camp. Because I really don't want, there ain't many people out, so it's gonna draw some suspicion if someone comes and sets up in the woods by your house. But yeah, that's what it's for. There's another section of the woods I want to camp. I'm just trying to find a spot with a lot less homeless presence. Which right here looks like not the spot. Oh no, maybe. I just have to take a look. It's secluded, which is a plus. Then with all the trees, I can find a spot that breaks the wind. God damn. Not secluded enough for me. Definitely not. Walking along this wood line, and I think it's pretty good camouflage, so oh shit, don't want to get my feet wet. Trying to find a spot that kind of flattens out and has minimal hobo trash, which it looks like I'm getting up against a neighborhood now, so that ain't a good spot. A little backstory, this was I think it was like 2015. The company I worked for inherited the big interstate contract on I-10, and this is where all our laydown yard and office was for like a year and a half. But yeah, I just enjoy hearing like the crackle of the trees and stuff. It's pretty cool with the ice on it. But yeah, I'm still trying to find that sweet spot. for tonight to go camping. Yeah, that's too close to houses. Maybe just swing on over here would be good. Alright, let me turn y'all on, save some battery. I don't know if y'all can see way out there. There's like a see-through tent, so I'm gonna give them the space and find someplace else. The search continues. This y'all is directly behind what's this called? Car Max. It's nice and flat, but man, it looks heavily hobo used. One of the YouTubers I watch that does a lot of stealth camping recommended getting pepper spray, which I bought, just in case someone tries to mess with you. Oh, that's cool. With a mattress. Whee! And I got my knife and pepper spray. All of this would be different if I had my hammock. But I gotta find a spot that's not gonna get full of water if it warms up considerably overnight. So what it looks like, y'all, the plus is, I think tonight's stealth camp's gonna be over there in them woods, because it has lower hobo activity, less chance I run into another homeless person, or a homeless person. I got a home, whatever, I got a hotel. And then I'm close if I get super cold, which I doubt, because I got Michelle's 15-degree bag, and I got my 50-degree down bag, so I doubt I'm gonna get cold. But if I do, my hotel room's right up there. You can see out the window. So yeah. I think this is gonna be my camping spot, y'all. It's got woods and not much hobo sightings. I got quite a setup back here. It's like looking through ruins or relics. Man, got him a couch, all kinds of stuff. Look at this fire pit. Holy smokes. It's a badass fire pit. Hobo Light 2021. At least they did it safely in a fire pit. Look, that's a pretty cool old floor for a big tent. AC filters. Check this out, a frozen Bible. I'm gonna put that back where I found it. Maybe it's someone's reading. For scouting. Now time to go get warm and go play some Xbox until maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours at most before dark. So yeah. This concludes the pre-trip. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. I want to do more stealth camping like this, because right now fishing sucks and I'm working out of town, and this is really the only type of content I can produce. So hopefully you like it. Over and out. Thank you for watching.